the sky is dark, you would come to me. If I couldn't see you, my heart will not be happy. I am so happy that we got to know each other. Never once did you let me desire someone else in love. You told me you would love me forever. Up to today, our love grows stronger, making me miss you. In this winter season, I want to be with you, never letting you long for someone else. Will love you forever, never letting you feel anger or sadness. Loving you endlessly, never giving you to another.